So I would like to fix the air control when the character is jumping. Right now when you jump or press left or right after you jump, every air movement is instant. I want this to be based on momentum. So let me exit play mode. I'm gonna go into the move forward script. And here I want to add a section. I'll call it momentum. And it's gonna have some options as variables like use momentum, and a public float to specify the max value for the momentum. So if you have this option turned on, I'm gonna go to where the update is. If use momentum, we're gonna have a certain set of script. If not, we're gonna go with the normal movement. I'm gonna press Ctrl T and find the animation progress. And this is where we're gonna be saving the value for the momentum. I'll call it air momentum as a public float. And when we press move right, or when we press move left, I want to get the animation progress and change the air momentum value. And because this is a momentum, I want to be adding it every frame so that it builds up. I want to get the value from the speed graph based on the timing of the animation. And I want to multiply that by delta time because we're adding every frame. And we do the same thing with the other direction. And I'll create a private variable for this, call it update momentum, taking the character control and the animator state info as the variables, as the parameters, and put the function here. Okay, so it's the exact same thing. We're just putting it into a single function. If the momentum, if the absolute value for the momentum if that is bigger than the maximum, then we put a cap on it. If it's bigger than 0, it equals max momentum. If it's less than 0, then it equals negative max momentum. And once we have the momentum value, we want to move forward based on that value. And instead of using the speed graph, I'll use the air momentum value. And if the momentum is bigger than 0, we'll say face forward. If momentum is negative value, you face the other way. And since we're always facing the right direction, this value will be a negative, an absolute value. I also want to go to the beginning on enter, set the momentum to 0 in the beginning and the end. Now I'm gonna get the character control. Now I'm going to save everything, go back to Unity. I'm going to go to the jump folder, look for in the jump, move forward. And I'm going to set up the variables. So I'm going to use momentum, and I'm going to try 0.5 for max. Speed graph, I'll just try a straight line for now. Speed it up. And I'm going to click play, see what happens. So if I jump and try to move, I can't turn immediately. So even if I press left and right, if I spam, you can only face the direction that the momentum is carrying you. So this looks more like a parabola. I think the maximum momentum might be a little too small, so 0.7. Maybe 0.6. And I think it's working fine for now. I might have to do some fine tuning. So there's a slight glitch there. So if I try to move forward into the platform, we have a glitch there. I think I'm going to fix that in the next video. For now, I'm happy that we have a jump that looks more like a parabola. So even if I let go, the momentum will carry you forward. And if you want to go the other way, you have to increase momentum to turn while you're in the air. So that'll be it for today. I know it's not perfect. I'm gonna add more details as I move on with this project. For now, that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.